How I can get the dark theme in YouTube. Hello guys, I will show you an easy way how to get the dark mode on YouTube in few seconds. First thing we need to do, we have to go to YouTube and wait a few seconds. And now we go to the right corner and go to settings and go to the first option, general. Now we have remind me to take a break, remind me when I spend time, and we have choose your light or dark theme preference. We have three options, the light theme or the dark theme. We press to the dark theme, the third options, and now we have the dark theme in our YouTube, like that's an easy way. This is all for this video. Don't forget to subscribe and press the like button.